Hey everybody, this is Paul from SecureStack. I wanted to give you guys a demo today of our new Log4Shell detection that we built into the SecureStack platform. Now this detection is unlike anything else in any other solutions out there in the sense that we can scan both running web applications, so we basically scan a URL, but we can also scan source code, Java source code, and we're going to show both of those to you right now. Now, I'm logged into the SecureStack platform right now. You can create an account at app.securestack.com. It's free for 20 analyses. And this is the landing page you'll get to when you log in for the first time. So we've got a demo app here. You can click here and learn some more about our platform. But let's go ahead and kick off some Log4j scanning. So first and foremost, I've got a Java app that I've already got installed in this machine, and I'm in that directory structure right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an application by clicking on the Create Application button here. Let's call this Log4Shell Demo, right? And then here we're going to call this Java App. So we've already got a application that we've built. That's vulnerable to the Log4Shell issue. It's javaapp.difffeedback.org. We click continue. Now this source code is actually stored in GitHub, and I've already logged into the SecureStack platform using my GitHub credentials. So when I click that box right there, it sees that I've already logged in with GitHub, and then it goes and talks to GitHub and finds out what repositories I have access to. This is the repository that we want to scan today, right here, the Java app. So we click continue. And then this is asking us what branch we want to scan. So we're going to choose the master branch. We click continue, and this is just giving us an overview. So this is the name of the app that we've given it. This is the URL that it's going to scan. And this is the overview of the source code repository information that we gave it. So that all looks good. So let's click Create Application. All right, so what this is going to do, this is going to kick off a set of analyses in the background. And you can see that it's spinning here as it thinks. Every application that we create in SecureStack has an application ID, and you can see that right here. You already can see that data is coming in to the platform. We click dismiss. Let's go ahead and grab that, and let's flick back over to our terminal session. So I've already set up my Bloodhound CLI, and if you want to know how to do that, we've got other videos in this YouTube channel that talk about that. Because I'm logged in with the Bloodhound CLI, if I type Bloodhound CLI applications, you'll see that same application ID that I showed you in the web portal right here, right? This is telling me basically the list of applications that I've got managed. So if we want to actually scan this Java app for the Log4Shell vulnerabilities, and there's a bunch of them, you can simply go Bloodhound CLI code, that says that we're going to scan code, -T for type, Java, -A for the application, and then we're going to do that bad boy right there. Cool, that's it. Bloodhound CLI code -T Java -A in the application ID. You hit enter, and this will only take a couple of seconds because this happens here locally on the machine. Boom, it's found 4 vulnerable jars. 2.13.3, 2.14, 2.15, and 1.2.17, which a lot of people think that Log4j 1 isn't vulnerable to the latest class of attacks, and it's not to all of them, but there are definitely some issues there, especially if you've got the JMS appender turned on, and there's some other CVEs there. So we look for all of those inside of the Java source code. So there you go. If we flick back over here and we click on the exposure scan, you can see that we've compiled a score as well as kind of decomposing the application. But what we're here today is for this right here. So we've actually detected that there's a Log4Shell vulnerability in the web application itself. That was a URL that we gave it. And then we've also detected there's a vulnerability in the Java source code, which you saw a second ago. It's that easy. right? You sign up, you give it a URL, you point it at your source code, and we find if there are issues. It's really that simple. If you want to know more, please reach out to us at hello@securestack.com or give us a shout at the website. You can use our chat, securestack.com. Thank you so much. Cheers.